Hi guys, and thank you so much for coming back to us. I wanted to show you this video because I want you to watch this parrot's behavior. You can see shaking their heads and opening their wings, okay? Look at Yo-Yo at the back, shaking his head, opening wings, and then me too here on close to the camera, shaking her head, opening wings. But this is nothing because in a second, Yo-Yo is gonna go absolutely crazy when it goes to screaming, okay? You're gonna hear me too now, and then soon you're gonna see Yo-Yo. So guys, enjoy it, and let me know what you think. Subscribe to us as well.